Hello everyone and welcome to the Anime Environment Masterclass, where you will learn to create a fully stylized anime-inspired room environment from start to finish using both Blender and Substance Painter. With over 7 hours of content, this is a complete masterclass in creating stylized anime environments, covering every step from concept to final polished renders. And by the end of this course, you'll have the skills to create environments just like the one you see in this trailer and even build your own scenes in a similar style. We'll walk through the entire workflow step by step, starting with blocking out the room and adding the doors. Then we'll start building up all the major assets, the cupboards, chair, fan, table, boombox, tatami mats, etc. After that, we'll start adding all the smaller props like the blankets, utensils, calendars, cardboard boxes, the details that bring the room to life and make it feel lived in. After we finish up with the modeling, we'll unwrap all our models and export them into Substance Painter, where you will learn to texture the entire room piece by piece. Throughout the process, we'll create a variety of stylized material sets designed specifically to match the anime aesthetic. After texturing, we'll bring everything back into Blender and apply all the exported materials cleanly and efficiently. Then we will enter the stylization phase, adding more small props, refining the lighting, adjusting color space, adding outlines and special effects to achieve that signature 2D anime look. We will also create multiple lighting variations, including daytime, evening, and night versions of the scene to create different moods and atmospheres. We will finish the course by adding final touches in Blender's Compositor and Photoshop Polish. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Blender artist, this course will guide you through creating a detailed anime-inspired 3D environment completely from scratch. So I hope to see you there in the course. Thank you.